Hi dears, I am Sri Darshini, Assistant Professor of Department of Agricultural Engineering in Nanda Engineering College. Now I am going to talk about field preparation for crop production. What is field preparation? Field preparation refers to the initial set of activities and practices undertaken to ready the agricultural land before sowing or planting crops. Proper field preparation is fundamental to achieving higher crop yields and overall agriculture productivity. These tasks typically include land selection, soil testing, clearing and demarcation, plowing, harrowing, leveling, fertilizer application, irrigation infrastructure, drainage and mulching. First we going to see about land selection. What is land selection? The goal of land selection is to identify a plot of land that provides the optimal conditions for the successful growth and development of specific crops. Making informed decisions during land selection plays a crucial role in maximizing agricultural productivity, ensuring efficient use of resources and promoting sustainable farming practices. By choosing the right land, farmers can enhance their chances of achieving higher crop yields and economic return while minimizing potential risk and environmental impacts. Second, soil testing. Soil testing is very important in field preparation. It is the process of analyzing and evaluating the physical, chemical, and biological properties of soil to determine its fertility, nutrient content, pH level, and other essential characteristics that can affect crop growth. Soil tests is typically conducted by taking soil samples from various locations within the field and sending them to a laboratory for analysis. Third, we are going to see clearing and demarcation. Clearing and demarcation are two distinct processes related to land management and development. Here, first clearing. It refers to the process of removing vegetation, debris, rocks, and other obstacles from a piece of land to prepare it for a specific purpose. Clearing is often done to create a clean and open space, allowing for easy access and implementation of planned activities. Second, demarcation. It involves marking or defining the boundaries or limits of a particular area of land. This is typically done to establish property boundaries or to designate specific zones for various purposes. Third, plowing. What is plowing? Plowing refers to the agricultural practice of turning over the top layer of soil to prepare the land for planting crops. It involves the use of a plow, which is a farming tool pulled by animals or powered machinery to break up and invert the soil. Harrowing. After plowing, harrowing is an agriculture practice that follows plowing or primary tillage. It involves using a harrow, a farm implement with metal teeth or disc, to break up clots of soil, level the ground, and create a finer seed bed in preparation for planting crops. It is used for preparing seed bed, controlling weeds, and conserving soil moisture, etc. Sixth, leveling. Leveling refers to the process of creating a flat and even surface on the agricultural land to ensure uniform water distribution and promote the optimal crop growth. It involves removing any irregularities such as high spots or depressions that could cause uneven water pooling or drainage issues. Seventh one, fertilizer application. It refers to the process of adding essential nutrients to the soil or directly to the plants to enhance their growth and maximize crop yield. Fertilizers are substances containing specific elements like nitrogen N, phosphorus P, potassium K, and other micronutrients necessary for the healthy development of plants. Eighth one, irrigation infrastructure. What is irrigation infrastructure? It is the physical facilities and equipment designed and implemented to supply water efficiently and effectively to agricultural fields. It includes a range of structure and systems that help capture, convey, store and distribute water for irrigation purposes. Ninth one, drainage. It is the process of removing excess water from agricultural field to prevent waterlogging and create suitable soil conditions for optimal crop growth. It involves designs and implementation of various systems and structures to control and manage the movement of water out of the fields. There are two main types of drainage. One is surface drainage, second is subsurface drainage. What does mean by surface drainage? This involves the creation of channels, ditches, or furrows on the surface of field to allow water to flow away from the crop area. In subsurface drainage, this method utilizes buried drain pipes or tiles installed below the soil surface to collect and transport excess water away from the roots of crops. 10th one is mulching. Mulching is a practice that involves covering the soil surface around plants with a layer of organic or synthetic material. This protective layer serves several beneficial purposes to support plant growth and improve agricultural productivity. Uses of mulching are it conserving soil moisture, it used to suppress the weeds, it helps to regulate the temperature, it controls soil erosion, it improves crop quality. Overall, mulching is a versatile and valuable technique in crop production that contributes to water efficiency, weed control, soil health, and crop yield improvement while promoting sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural practices. Once again, I recall the steps for preparing a field. First, we want to select a land. Second, to testing the soil. Third, clearing and demarcation. Fourth, plowing. Fifth, harrowing. Sixth, leveling. Seventh step, fertilizer application. Eighth, irrigation infrastructure. Ninth, drainage. And final step is mulching. These are the steps for preparing the field. Okay dears, thank you for your kind attention today.